Hey there, Amy here, your e-commerce growth expert. In today's video, we will show you how to set up a pre-order for your products in under 2 minutes. So let's get started. Once you've successfully installed our app, the first step is to enable the theme helper. Don't worry, once you open the app, a banner will appear allowing you to simply click on Enable Theme Helper without any extra steps needed. This step loads your theme editor, automatically enabling the pre-order embed. And after that, all you need to do is to save this change. Now going back to the app, let's enable pre-orders for a product. You have the flexibility to enable it for a single product, a product tag, or all products. For this demo, we'll focus on the single product pre-order feature. So click on the pre-order products, which will open the settings to search for the product you want to pre-order. For example, if you want to pre-sell a specific product, simply enter the keywords and click search. Once you've found your product, click the pencil icon on the right-hand side. Now you'll see your product displayed per variant. This allows you to offer pre-orders on specific variants while keeping others in stock for regular purchases. For this one, you only need to enable the pre-order for the variant you want and then click Save. On the same screen, you can choose between default settings or custom settings to personalize your pre-order feature further. For now, let's go with default settings. Click Save. Next, head over to Settings at the top of the page and choose Default Settings. Here, we'll enable Inventory Management to control how your pre-orders respect your inventory levels. So scroll down to the third option labeled Inventory Management and enable this feature. Now choose between the two methods of management. In this demo, we're opting for Method 1, where the pre-order button is shown only when the inventory is above 0 and is disabled when the inventory reaches 0. For Method 2, once inventory is less than or equal to 0, your pre-order button will be shown. Now scroll down and click Save. That's it! You've completed the process. Congratulations on successfully setting up your first pre-order product. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.